Hello viewers, I am Zahur Islam and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Zahur Islam Official. Today we will discuss about the liquid dosage form. And liquid dosage form, why the different medication and drugs they are formulated in liquid dosage form and solid dosage form. But today we will talk about the classification of the liquid dosage form. So liquid dosage form, they are classified into two categories. One is monophasic liquid dosage form and the second one is biphasic liquid dosage form. The monophasic liquid dosage form, they are further classified into two categories. Monophasic liquid dosage form, it contains only one phase. This is called one phase system. While the liquid for internal use or the liquid for external use. So the liquid for internal use is drops, elixirs, linctus, syrups, and draughts. The second one is liquids for external use. For example, the liquids which are be applied to the skin. For example, liniments and lotions. These all are the monophasic liquid dosage form because it is also called one phase system. There are many examples like drops, elixir, linctus, syrups, and draughts. These are the liquids which are used for internal purpose, for internal use. And the second one is liquid for external use, that is liquid to be applied on the skin. For example, they are available in the form of liniments and lotions. Furthermore, the liquids meant for body cavities. These are the different liquids which are available in different uh, dosage form, liquid dosage form, and it can be administered in the body cavities. For example, we are doing gargles like throat paints, like mouthwashes, throat paints and mouthwashes, eye drops, eye lotions, ear drops, nasal drops, spray, and inhalations. These are the actually liquids which are usually administered in the body cavities. Another terms which is used is that is syrup. What is syrup? So syrup is this saturated solution of the sucrose in the purified water, the sweet viscous preparation. So you will have to remember that the concentration of sugar is 66% weight by weight. The syrup contains medicinal substances which are also called medicated syrup, and those containing aromatic or flavored substance is known as flavored syrup, or that is also called non-medicated syrup. And another word, medicated syrup, they are used for the therapeutic purpose, while the non-medicated or flavored syrup, they are not used for the therapeutic purpose. They are used for the general purpose. So saturated. So actually, the syrup is a saturated solution of sucrose. It means there is abundant concentration of sucrose in the purified water, and that is the syrup is that is sweet whisk preparation, and the concentration of sucrose is 66% weight by weight. Now, how syrups they are prepared? This is very simple and easy way. So first of all, you will have to add the sucrose to the purified water and then heat it to dissolve the sucrose with occasional stirring. After that, cool it and add more of purified water to make the required weight. Then the syrup used in the formulation of antibiotics like saline drugs, vitamins, antitussive agents, and sedatives. The simple method of preparation of syrup is the addition of sucrose to the purified water and then heat it in order to dissolve the sucrose with occasional stirring. And after that, you can cool it and then add a little bit more purified water to make the required weight. The syrup which is used in the formulations is I have discussed that saline drugs, vitamin, introduces sedative. So there are different syrups which are available. Uh, Another one is elixir. So all these terms which are used, these are monophasic liquid dosage form, which we have discussed, and these are the liquids which are used for the internal uses. Now, what is elixir? So elixir can be defined as these are the sweet aromatic colored preparations. Aroma is a Greek word which means fragrance. So elixirs are the sweet aromatic colored preparations, and the main ingredients of the elixirs they are ethyl alcohol, the water, glycerine, propylene glycols, flavoring agents, syrup, and preservatives. So the medicated elixir contain very potent drugs such as antibiotic, antihistamines, and sedatives. Flavoring elixirs are used as flavors in vehicle. So the main difference between syrup and elixir is that elixir there is high concentration of alcohol. These are hydroalcoholic preparations. These are sweet aromatic colored preparations, and as usually um, you can say that most of the elixirs they are in the form of means antihistaminic sedatives and antibiotics. And there is a difference in the ingredients of elixir and syrup. So elixir contains the ethyl alcohol, water, glycerine, propylene glycol, and flavoring. Then come toward linctus. So linctus is these are the viscous liquid and oral preparations that are generally prescribed for the relief of cough. So uh, there are different linctuses that are available in the market which are used for the relief of cough. In simple word, these are cough suppressants. They contain the medicaments which have the emulsifying soothing effect, sedative and expectorant actions. As usually, the lengths should be taken in a very small doses, and then it can be sipped, mean drink or and swallowed slowly without diluting it with water in order to have maximum and prolonged effect of medications. The simple syrup is used as a vehicle for most of the links. For example, tolo syrup is preferred in certain cases because of its aromatic order and flavor. All these are the monophasic liquid dosage form, and then they are used for the internal purpose, or in other words, for therapeutic purpose. Inshallah, in our next lecture, we will just start our next lecture from the drops in liniments. Thank you so much for watching my lectures. If you have any query or any questions, or if you need this content, so kindly email me. So I'm available for any kind of services.